Good morning. We're sharing something very exciting in this video. That bit there that's been mown recently, that is where the woodland's gonna go. It's around 1.7 acres and will be home to over 1,000 new trees. Our plan is to track a main walking path around the outer limits of the soon-to-be woodland, tuck up into the middle where we'll create a small glade for extra biodiversity, and then continue the path around to create a circular route. Then we'll fill the entire area with 1,140 trees. And at some point in the future, we'd love to add in a little pond to attract even more wildlife. We'll be planting 8 different types of trees: oak, Rowan, birch, hazel, alder, hawthorn, crabapple, and wild cherry. Even though we have a fair list of things to do already, by planting the woodland this year, we're giving it the earliest start possible to establish and become a proper forest.
All right, we're back from getting the trees, and we're just going to put them in the tool barn for tonight so they don't get any risk of frost or anything. Let me show you what 1,200 trees looks like. So there you go. There is the back of our pickup truck, and you can see everything in those white bags are the trees, and that's not even, like, they're late angled a bit. That's not even a third of our pickup. And then all these things are the little, like, spiral guards so that rabbits can't chew through our brand new trees. But yeah, if you're wondering how much space a forest takes up in a pickup truck, not a lot. Okay, we have the week off, and we're gonna start by count out these sticks. They're each going to mark where a tree's gonna go, and they're going to also be the support for the tree going forwards, and then paint them. And then we're going to go place them in the field where each of the trees are going to go. Woo! Do you have enough glue?
Yeah, I think be a bit smoother.
Be smoother.
Yeah, that's it.
Do you want to show our tree packages? They're all color coded now, and Dan's going to demonstrate which ones are which tree.
She's making me do it because she thinks I can't remember. So this is this is Hawthorn. I'm kidding. The first one is Hawthorn.
Okay.
The second one is Alder.
Okay.
The third one is Birch.
Okay.
This next one is Rowan.
Yep.
Then we have Hazel.
Mm-hmm.
Colour of wife's eyes. Crabapple.
Yep.
Oak.
Yep.
And wild cherry.
Yay! Well done.
Smart.
You're in the sun, so I can't see you very much, but congratulations. We are going to start marking them out into the woodland. So we're going to start at about way back there. Morning. So it started off very cold this morning, -5, and the frost / snow is starting to melt now, and luckily the ground can still be dug into, because today we're going to start planting our wood. Down behind me here is mixing up our mycorrhizal, that's how we're saying it. So it's like a thing we're going to dip the trees in, and it will support healthy root growth, and we want to give the trees the best chance possible. So once this is mixed up, we're going to grab some birch trees to start, right?
Yep.
We're going to do birch trees. We're going to stick them all in the wheelbarrow and then just go through, find any sticks that were marked for birch and get them planted. We've made up enough mixture for 100.
Yep.
So we're hoping to do 100 trees today, and we'll see how long that takes us. And yeah, I imagine as we do them, we'll get quicker. But for now, we're hoping 100 isn't too ambitious. So we're going to be done for today. We've planted 106 birch trees today. Not bad.
1,134 more to go.
What? Really? No.
No.
Quick do math. 1,140 minus 104.
106.
What?
Minus 100.
Minus 106.
So 1,034.
Yeah?
I think.
It's less than it was before.